In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to your site. By the end, you'll have your Google Analytics account and property set up, ready for tracking when you're ready to connect your website. Start by opening Google Analytics in your browser and signing in with your Google account. If you don't have an account set up for Analytics yet, that's fine. This process will guide you through it. Once you're in, look for the gear icon labeled Admin, usually at the bottom left of the screen, and click it. This is where all your key setup and configuration options live. Next, click the Create button. You'll see options related to accounts and properties. Choose to create a property. A property represents the specific website or app you want to measure, and it lives inside your overall account. This structure is helpful if you ever manage multiple sites or brands. Now fill out the property details. Give your property a clear, descriptive name, something like your site's name, so it's easy to identify later. Select the correct reporting time zone and currency. These settings affect how your data appears in reports, so pick the time zone where most of your business activity occurs. You can adjust many settings later, but it's worth getting these right from the start. Click Next and follow the prompts on your screen. You'll be asked for business details such as your industry category and business size. This helps Analytics tailor suggestions and benchmark comparisons. Then select your business objectives. You might see options like generating leads, driving online sales, or measuring engagement. Choose the ones that best match your goals. This customizes your experience with recommended reports and features. Don't stress, these choices can be updated later if your focus changes. Click Create to finalize the setup. You may be prompted to review and accept terms of service and data processing terms based on your region. Take a moment to read them, then continue. At this point, you may be asked to choose a platform such as web, iOS app, or Android app. If you're not ready to decide, you can skip this step for now. Skipping won't block you. You can come back when you're ready to connect your website and start sending data. Finally, click Continue to Home. You'll land on your Analytics home screen with your new property created. From here, you can explore the interface and, when you're ready, complete your website connection and tracking setup. That's it. Your Google Analytics foundation is in place and you're set for the next steps when you're ready to integrate your site.